Hi, it's Zach here. I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the Turbo Pipes racing set. Now, the best way to describe these, if you remember those old racing sets that had the tracks that you laid down, then you'd hold the button down and the car would zip around them, this is just like that, but on steroids because it uses tubes, so you can go up and down and you can go in loop-de-loops and all kinds of crazy stuff. You can really let your imagination run wild when you're setting up the track that this comes with. Now, the cars themselves are actually really cool. There's a whole series of wheels on here that allow them to shoot around the tubes super fast, and it's just a lot of fun to watch. Plus, the car is illuminated, so you can even do this in the dark. Now, the car itself is powered by an internal rechargeable battery, and on a full charge, you're going to get a generous 45 minutes of continuous use. Now, the remote is super simple. It has a back and forth switch. The car can actually go forward and backwards, and the remote itself is powered by two AA batteries. Now, this set comes with straight pipes and curved pipes, so you can make all sorts of interconnected tracks, and it even comes with decals, so you can customize those tracks as well. Now, these also come with connectors that make it super easy to set up, and the greatest thing about this is that you're not limited to one set. You can actually take multiple sets, as many as you want, and link them all together to make massive, cool tracks with all sorts of twists and turns. Kids are going to go absolutely nuts for these, and when you buy more, you save more, so head on over to the site and grab a few today.